James McCoy trying to make a move in the 84 team. But up front, it is Kyle Metdepenningen and Rayce Metdepenningen on the point with that race lead. Tommy Boy Tom Muller, the fourth, Kenny McKay Jr. Patriot team. And now Adam Plonsky, James McCoy on the move, battling Charlie Williams and Jim Brazeau. Howard Kelley Jr. and Tom O'Leary Jr. now trying to get into that second place battle. Right now the Metdepenningens with that race lead. Kyle Metdepenningen and Rayce Metdepenningen. Your race leader coming into a little bit of traffic. Look out! Tommy Boy Tom O'Leary the fourth, Kenny McKay Jr. Charlie Williams, Jim Brazeau. But it is Rayce Metdepenningen and Kyle Metdepenningen. The 78 team on the point with that lead. Good battle for that second spot. Tommy Boy Tom O'Leary the fourth. Kenny McKay Jr. in that second spot. Howard Kelley Jr. and Tom O'Leary Jr. now into that third spot. Howard Kelley Jr. and Tom O'Leary Jr. Up front it is Kyle Metdepenningen and Rayce Metdepenningen. With that race lead, and now Howard Kelley Jr. and Tom O'Leary Jr. into that second spot over Tommy Boy Tom O'Leary the fourth. Oh, handful of struggle. Look out! Look out! Adam Plonsky, James McCoy lifting it. Whoa! I got a little bumpy with it. Up front, here it is. Rayce Metdepenningen and Kyle Metdepenningen with that race lead. Howard Kelley Jr. Tom O'Leary Jr. trying to reel him in. Tommy Boy Tom O'Leary the fourth in the 13 team. And Kenny McKay in that third spot. Charlie Williams and Jim Brazeau running fourth. But up front it's Kyle Metdepenningen and Rayce Metdepenningen. Coming through there, saying, look out! Oh no! Howard Kelley around, no! Howard Kelley Jr. has been making up some ground. And Howard Kelley Jr. and Tom O'Leary Jr. look at it. They're back to fourth. Look out! Rayce Metdepenningen, Kyle Metdepenningen with that race lead. Tom O'Leary the fourth, Kenny McKay Jr. trying to reel him in. Charlie Williams, Jim Brazeau riding in that third spot. Coming down through that intersection. Look out! Well, look out! Howard Kelley again, looping it. It is Rayce Metdepenningen, Kyle Metdepenningen with that race lead. Over Tommy Boy Tom O'Leary the fourth, and Kenny McKay Jr. trying to reel him in. Charlie Williams and Jim Brazeau. Now Lonnie York and Finley riding in that fourth spot. But up front it is the Metdepenningens. Rayce Metdepenningen, Kyle Metdepenningen with that race lead. Look out at the intersection. Rayce Metdepenningen and Kyle Metdepenningen with that race lead. Over Tommy Boy Tom O'Leary the fourth, and Kenny McKay Jr. We'll come to the white flag this time by. There'll be a white flag up. And look out! Look out! White flag up one more time around, and now look out! Tommy Boy Tom O'Leary the fourth. Kenny McKay Jr. battling the Metdepenningens side by side. Kyle Metdepenningen, Rayce Metdepenningen. Tom O'Leary the fourth. Kenny McKay Jr. battling up front for that race lead. It's the Metdepenningens, Kyle Metdepenningen and Rayce Metdepenningen. Tom O'Leary the fourth and Kenny McKay Jr. Down through that intersection one final time. It's the Metdepenningens picking up that victory. Kyle Metdepenningen and Rayce Metdepenningen picking up that victory. A very entertaining figure eight train race. And Rayce Metdepenningen and Kyle Metdepenningen picking up that victory.